Assalamualaikum teachers, how are you? Today we bring a cool idea for your maths classroom. Yes, in this video we are going to use a digital domino as a manipulation tool for your math classroom, and we will see how we can generate linear equations by using this digital domino. अच्छा, सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा इस कैनवस के बारे में बता दूं। ये जो सबसे पहला ऑप्शन आपको मेरी स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है न्यू का, एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन domino will be changed, the dots on the dominoes will be changed. Okay, and this is the added option or the pencil option. By selecting this option you can write on this canvas. This is eraser, and with this delete button you can clear your all canvas. So let's start today's video. Okay, so we are aiming to generate linear equations by using this digital domino. So let's say the right side of this domino represents a coefficient of y, and the left side of this domino represents the coefficient of x, right? So if I take this x along with these two dots as the coefficient of x, I can write x, right? Then I can put a plus or a minus over here, and on the right side of this domino we have only one dot. It means the coefficient of y here is 1, so I can write y over here, right? So this is expression 1. Okay, now I'm going to click on this new button to generate a next domino for our next equation, which will be equation number 2. Okay, let's count the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the coefficient of x for our second equation is 8. Then I might put plus or a minus over here, so this time I choose subtraction. Now count the dots on right side of the domino for the coefficient of y, which is 4, so I can write 4y, right? So this is our expression 2. अब ये इक्वेशन नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें इक्वल का साइन नहीं है, अब ये सिर्फ दो एक्सप्रेशन है हमारे पास. So here I am going to generate a third domino, or I am going to click on this new button once again for the third time. All right. Now this time I will take the left side of this domino as constant of equation 1, and the right side of this domino as the constant of equation 2. Right, so again we will repeat the process and count the dots on the left side for equation 1 and on the right side for the equation 2. So on the left side we have 3 dots, so I can write is equals to first expression is equals to 3 to make it as equation number 1, and is equals to 9 in expression number 2 to make it equation 2. Now we have two equations. First equation is 2x plus y is equals to 3 and the second one is 8x minus 4y is equals to 9. So these two equations are linear equations which we can use to solve for the values of x and y. We can solve it simultaneously. We can solve it with some other method as well, right? So this can be used as a practice activity or as a formative assessment as well, because you never know what equations you could get. So I think this is a great way or a fun way to use in your classroom for linear equations lectures or linear equations practice, और स्टूडेंट्स भी इसको बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करेंगे. आप इसको पेयर्स में करवा सकते हैं, आप ये वाली एक्टिविटी बच्चों से ग्रुप्स में करवा सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा एक इससे बच्चों को लेक्चर में इंटरेस्ट भी पैदा होगा और एक बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट भी ये टूल आपके लिए हो सकता है. अब ये टूल है कौन सा, उसको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, उसके वेंचर्स को एंजॉय करने के लिए आप हमारा अपकमिंग सेशन ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिसमें इस टूल पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में बात करने वाले हैं. और जो सेशन है उसका नाम है एक्सप्रेशंस विद अरे. वी विल यूज़ एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस टूल in that session. So if you are really excited about this tool or you want to explore more about it, go to the description box and find the registration link for our upcoming session, which is completely free. Thank you so much.